Hello. Hello, sis. Hello, Ceci. Hello, everyone. Logi Talks. Kaninang Ninja Talk. Kaninang Ninja. Hello, Shadow Bosa. Hello, mga sis. Hello, Sir Junie. Konnichiwa. Hello, sir. Sa akong langga. Hello, Shadow Bosa. Hello, guys. Today, guys, hello, Ate Art Explorer TV from Japan. Mega love shout out. Magluluto ako, guys. Hello, sis. Hello, Kadorables Vlog. I'm so happy today. Logi Talks. Main mo yan, sis? That is your main. Hello, Choya. Choya from Australia. Mega love shoutout sa aking sister. Kapit tayo, guys. Hello, te. Mag-live kayo mamaya, te. Hi, sis. Naanak Isabel si Waffle. Okay. Hello, Sabel. Waffle is here. Sabel, oh. Bagong gising. Naano siya? Dahil lang. Hello. Hello, Sabel. Ay, gatay. Ay, nawa. Hello. Yes. His name is Waffle. Oh, sis. Oh, it's my new friend. Family Jolie. Hello, sis. My name is Waffle. But he need to change his clothes. Hello, sis. Sis, bagong akong gising, sis. Sabel. Hello, Sabel. Waffle is here. Show your face na, mami. Oh. Yes. It's okay, sis. Andyan yung bro. Huwag kayong ma-stress sa mga bro, ha, sis. Hello, sis. I speak Tagalog. Hello, guys. Yes. Hello, guys. Dikita natin si guys. Sa ibang bansa yan siya. Si Logi Talks. Hello, Sisi. I will check your channel later, sis. Kawaii na. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oo. Hindi. Sis? Hindi siya naligo, sis. Kasi napagod siya today sa ni Junjun Sports Festival. Kaya, he looks so tired. Natulog, sis. Oh. Natulog, sis. He is so lazy. He always sleep. Yes, it's Sugashi janai ne. Hyo dake. Nichiyobi dake is Sugashi. Rako. Sometimes I speak Filipino, sister, and I speak Japanese, but I'm not really good in Japanese. Only basic words. Look, sis, he's so lazy. He used to, and talking in front of camera, and he just sleep because my voice is like his music. Yes, not tired, sissy, because He just wake up and he eat. After he eat, he sleep. Every time I talk, sis, you know, it's like his music. Yeah, it's like his music. Say hi to my friends. Hello to all my friends there. Oh my God, sis. You know, I'm so nosebleed now because I speak English. My English is not really good. Hello, Ans. Te, dikitan mo yan siya. Te, parang sa UK yan siya. I forgot, sis. Sese. Logi talks. I don't know how to read, but I can read that talks. Are you in America? I forgot. I know you're not a Filipino, Char. Charot! Alam nyo guys, basta Sunday talaga guys, ayoko yung ma-stress talaga sa sa mga juicy natin na dyan. So, bigyan ko time si self. Ko guys, walang magpupunta sa bahay, magchika-chika sa GC, magpalo up, tapos relax lang talaga guys, as in, yeah, she's in Egypt, sis, if you want to subscribe, some of my friends, they are really good, and they are, you know, very supportive. You can sub their channel, sis, if you want, and they will go to your channel as well. Okay, sis. So this is your channel, right? Okay, sis. I will go to your channel later. I will check it later, sis. Okay, now I will write your channel. Yes, sis. They are really nice and they are very supportive. Especially if they see you are supportive as well. Char says, I'm sorry to my English. My English is not really good. Just understand. Oh, Jolly talks. Maybe you can be friend of our explorer. She's from Japan, but she's a Filipina, half American. Okay, and you can see because they are not using the real channel. I think so. I don't know. Maybe. Lakbayan Tour, Kuya Johnny TV, Sabel's Mom channel. This is her second channel. Si Kadora Bells. Hello, Kadora Bells. Calls Regina Blacks from Hong Kong. They are Filipino, sis, but they are working abroad. Oh my God, my music stopped. Okay, my sister, I will show you, I will show you my... Yes, sis, Familia Jolly. They are Filipinos, sis. They are really nice. They are really nice, you know that. And they are very supportive. Okay. I will put your name, guys, and later I will check. Now I speak English. I'm not used to speak English, sis. But for my friend from Egypt, I will try my best. Just understand my grammar. Yes, Chuya Chang. Maybe you can see my friend, sis, Chuya Ang. She's in Australia. She's half Filipino and half Brazilian. You can check her channel, sis. Okay, I will check now. Thank you so much, Jolie. Thank you, sis. Yes, correct. Hoy, ate! Puntahan mo si Arns. What is the gender of... Waffle is half girl, half boy. Charot. He's a boy, my loves. And Sabel, you can check also Sabel's mom channel. She's really good. She's really supportive. And she's my good friend. And Choya Ang, all people there are supportive. And just let me know, okay? If they don't subscribe back, okay, I will message them. Char lang. Char lang, sis. Charot. Okay, let's eat coffee. Let's drink coffee, guys. Waffle now is sleeping. Sebel, baby, Waffle sleeping. I will get for you, and he will sleep back. Okay, wait. And Excuse to my place because a little bit messy because I don't do anything today. I just stay home and go to my son's sports festival and do beautification. Char! Char! Sabel, here's Waffle. Here's Waffle. Hello. Hello, Sabel. My name is Waffle and I'm a boy. Sabel, Waffle want to sleep now, okay? Thank you. Thank you, Susie. Thank you. Thank you. Sleep now then. Bye-bye, lad. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Yes, Choya Ang. Choya Ang, you can check their channel as well, okay? They are really, really, supportive. Family Jolly. Hello, sis. Family Jolly. Familia Jolly. Sulat ko yung mga name nyo dito, guys. Sabel's Mom Channel. Says you can check also Sabel's Mom Channel. Sabel's Mom's Channel. Sis, ito man yung isang, sis, naglista ko Sabel's Mom Channel. Sabel's Mom Channel. Sis, ito man yung isang channel mo, sis, no? Yung pangalawang channel mo, sis. Thank you so much, sis. Thank you, Sabel. Hi, Choya Ang. Thank you, sis. Wait. Okay, sis. Dikitan ko later, sis. Naglista ako dito, sis. Naglista ako sa mga names. Si Ate Arn. Sis, you can check Ate Arn Explorer TV. She's in Japan now. Sisi. Familia Jolie. Yes, she's my good friend. Lakbayan Tour, where are you? Kuya Johnny TV, Pinoy. Wait ha. I check the channels. Thank you, guys. Logic Talks, are you monetized channel already? You know, sis, I cook for my son now. This is an instant live. Just instant live. Always host dollar sa Copenhagen. Hello, sir. Oh, that's good. Hi, Madam Host dollar sa Copenhagen. Try lang to, sis, oy. Oh, that's good, sis. That's good. Okay, sis, I will visit your channel later, sis, ha? Thank you so much, sis. Thank you, guys. So, I will, guys, I don't know what the English of, Anong English yung panit, yes, yung balatan. I will cook for my son. How's Egypt now, sis? I have friends in Egypt. Logi Talks done from Chuyang. She's in Australia, sis. She's really good. Fill up, yes. I will fill up the carrots. Nawala yung pillar ko, sis. Thank you, sis. Sis? Familia Jolie. Bisitahin mo si Choya Ang at saka si, Sabel's Mom Channel. yung mga i-mention ko talaga yan, mga legit na natin yan. Then mag-comment lang kayo ha. Si Ate On Explorer TV from Japan. Sino ba to? Baka andito pa sila Kuya Juni TV, Lakbayin Tour. Sino ba to ha? Si Cardora Bells, kaso may bruha daw, kaya umalis muna andun yung madam niya. So parang wala naman. Yes. Shadow Bosa, yes. Cons Regina Organic, she's in Hong Kong right now. Yes, to my Shadow Bosa, to my Langga. Andito yung mga langga ko, mga sis. Sa Bells Mom Channel, mga sis, you put you put comment ha, na related sa content nila. Para makita kayo agad, sis. Mga main nila yan, mga sis. Bahay talaga nila yan. And please please subscribe to Shadow Bosa as well. Family Jolly, sis, dikitan nyo yan, sis. Mga legit natin yan. Sila sa Bells Mom Channel. Pangalawang channel niya yan. Thank you, sis Choya. Thank you so much. Nawala man tong pang ko pang balat ko. Andito pala. Alam mo sis, pag if you stay in Japan, sometimes your English is getting worse. Si On Explore TV, langga, dikitan mo yan siya. Bana talaga tayo, te. Mag-live ka mamaya, te. Mag-support ako, te. Hoy, mag-live kayo mamaya. Mag-support ako. Sis, can you subscribe to, to Arn Explorer TV and to Choya Ang, Shadow Bosa, Familia Jole, sa Bells Mom Channel. I hope they are still here. Choya Ang, they're really good friends, sis. They are very, supportive. Choya, thanks! Yes, sis. Yan, mag-live kayo mamaya, te. Mag-support ko, te. Muna tayo, mag-char-char. Magbanat muna tayo, mga sis. Ang pagising kay Lolo. Yes, salamat sa te. Salamat for everything. Te, mag-live ka mga yate. Mag-live, diba? Char-char lang, gunti, sayang tong niagi ba katong nagpunta ka sa imong gilakwan te, dapat after nimo nagkuha og video te, nag-live ka ato ba, bisan 20 minutes lang. Thank you so much. It's okay. Pag sure dati oy, stress mga nikugnaw. You just put makeup. Charot. Ano stress? Lagyan mo lang. Just put concealer and lipstick and you will be alright, char. Bitaw, ti. Huwag na ma-stress dyan. Stress nga ako. But I still do the light, char. Charot! Hindi mo na ako nagpa-support sa JC, guys. Kasi guys, daming pupunta guys. Tapos magbayad tayo ulit, guys. Kinoko, guys. Baka magkautang tayo. May issue tayo ulit. Thank you so much. 7 million. Please like my, Kaya nga, sis, after mo magkuha ng 10 minutes video or, 15 minutes, then mag-live din. Kati, bisan 15 minutes, rati. Sayang. Please like my my live stream. Only 5 likes, char. Charat. Mag-ano talaga, no? Like my live. Char lang. Okay lang, okay. Kahit hindi nyo like, it's okay. Thank you so much, sis. She's my new friend, actually. I'm so happy she checked my live. Char lang to mga sis. Oy, pawala sa kaboryo. Thank you so much sa mga bagong friends. Hello, Sisi, Logitox, what is your nationality? Yes! Ti-premiere, ti! Next week, ti-premiere YouTube, ti. Mo-support yung puti. Bahala ka diyan. Ayaw sa ito i-upload, ha. Pag-upload lang itong mga char-char. Kay gwapo kay ti. Magluto ko, eh. I'm cooking right now, mga sis. Oh, Egyptian. Oh, I see. Oh, I noted, sis. Thank you so much, sis. Logi Talks, my channel. Jolie Familia. Sis, di ba main mo yan channel, sis? Hindi, wala ka daw video na makita, sis. Sabi niya. Pakilapag nga sa main mo na bahay, sis. Familia, okay. Thank you, sisi. I will check later, sis, your channel, okay? Thank you so much, guys. 8 minutes left and live will be end soon. Only 30 minutes, guys. Because many things to do. Thank you so much. Thank you, te. Sino pa ang andyan? Naglista na ako, ha. Thank you, sister. Hi, Choya. Andyan ka pa, Choya? Mahirap mag-live ng matagal. Baka makabayad tayo, char. Char lang. Mga sis, mag-live kayo, mga sis. Basta, in-PM lang ako bago kayo mag-live para maka-prepare. So, I can prepare. Mostly, sis, linggo talaga ako nag-live, mga sis. Kasi yan yung pang-refresh ko ba. Every Sunday talaga ako nagla-live as long I'm not busy. Thank you. If you have TikTok, sis, I have TikTok too. I will follow you back. My TikTok is Life with Waray. Thank you, guys. I'm cooking right now, guys. I cook chicken. Chicken with vegetables. Tamsak dan Sabel's vlog, sis. Also her her old channel, Sabel's vlog, sisi. Okay, Sabel's vlog. so much. Says, how about Sabel's vlog? Please dikit to Sabel's vlog. That is her channel, sisi. 5 minutes soon. I will end this live, okay? So please, check their channel. Thank you so much. Because my son is so hungry. Welcome to our new friend from Egypt. You know, it's good kay may mga ibang lahi tayong friends. Alam niyo naman, si Waray, kahit saan napupunta. Yes, Isabel, your comments are torn off. Yes, because sis, that is for kids. It's okay, sis. She know that. Don't worry, sis. They will return all. Alam niyo naman si Waray, guys. Kahit saan napupuntang planeta, no. Kahit sino mga friends. It's good to have different friends from other country. As long my English is, it's only basic, they can understand. What time now in Egypt, says? Here in Japan is 7:22. In Philippines, 6:22. Only 1 hour ahead, Japan. What time now? Afternoon. Oh. Sis, you know the pyramid of Egypt? Correct me if I'm wrong. It's that in your country, right? It's near to your house? I mean to your city? Guys, kung mag-live kayo guys, sabihan si Waray para makasupport ako ha. Yan. Yes, sis. I'm sorry, sis, because sometimes I speak Filipino language. And I speak Japanese and I speak, what can I say? My dialect. Bisaya. I speak 3, but not good, but only basic. 4. Japanese, English, Tagalog, Bisaya. Thank you, sis. I will check later your channel, sis. Thank you so much. I have friends in Egypt. So many Filipina right there, right? I think she married to Egyptian. Yeah, she's nice. She's nice to me. But I don't know if she continued her channel. So when I'm in Dubai, I have many Muslim friends. They are nice also to me. So I can get along to anyone. As long they are, nice to talk. They respect me. So I respect them. So that's it. In Dubai, so it's a Muslim country. But, I enjoy that place. Many good people. So, sis, nadikitan ba ninyo, sis? Malapit ako matapos, sis. Tian, andyan ka pa? Oh, we're in Dubai, sis. It's good country. I have many friends there. Have you been in Sharjah? My best friend is there. She has, her own shop. Family Jole Dan from te. Salamat kayo te ha sa support. Arn Explorer. Kanang saan ka mag-live te? Jolie Talks Dan from Familia Jole. Maganda yan siya, sis, kasi main talaga yung idikit niya. Ako, mag-main man ako pag may idikit sa akin. Sese! It's 31 minutes. So, 1 minute more. Thank you so much, sis! Sabi, ay, di na mami! Ay, di na mami na boyfriend! My dog. Hello, you school. Oh. Yeah, but a little bit strict place in Sarja. Yeah, it's a little bit strict, but you know. Thank you so much, everyone! So, mag-end na yung live ko. Thank you, mga sis! Thank you so much! Hi, baby! Come. Just say hi. Just say goodbye na. Just say goodbye. No, thank you so much! Thank you! I love you all! He look mad. Thank you all! Love you, baby! Ay, sorry. Thank you so much! Bye-bye for now! Stay motivated! Stay beautiful! Stay pretty! Charot! God bless everyone! Bye!